You're not good enough. You'll never succeed. Why are you wasting your time on this? Get a real job. Are you trying to be a content creator wannabe? Be realistic. These are just some of the many comments that you or the others are giving to yourself when you're chasing your dreams. You listen to these comments and you're puzzled why you're so unhappy with yourself. Let me tell you why. You're unhappy because you know that you shouldn't be listening to those comments, but for some reason, you did. Because it sounds so believable and real. It's believable because it's easy to think that you're indeed not good enough and you'll never succeed. Thus, all you need to do is just continue doing what's real and safer, which is to work a normal job that you hate, work till the end of the day, go home, and rinse and repeat. Despite knowing all this already, you're still doing all these things and wondering why you're so unhappy. There are many doubters out there in the world. People want to see you fail so that they can feel good about themselves failing in life too. That's why you'll always be hearing comments like, "Are you trying to be an influencer wannabe? Can you just be realistic and stop wasting your time on this?" Or, "Just get a real job." You have to understand this. Whoever that's giving you these advice or comments, they want you to believe in them. They sincerely hope that you'll never succeed, because if you do, they have no choice but to question themselves on what they are doing with their lives. They want to feel like they have made the right choice by not chasing their dreams and taking the so-called safer route. Note this, the more doubts you receive, the sweeter the reward. Think back about the times when you are just a little child. You are just a clueless kid as you have yet to be influenced by society. You have big dreams, astronaut, scientist, entrepreneur, Olympian, or a singer. You sincerely believe that you could reach these goals in the future. But as you grew older and learned more about society, your beliefs on whether you can reach these goals diminish as quickly as the wind. Is it society that's teaching us the truth on what we can really achieve? Or is it because it doesn't want us to succeed? Look, I don't care whether you truly believe that you'll never succeed because of whatever reason you are thinking of right now. Is there anything wrong with just charging forward and chasing your dream? Overthinking is your biggest enemy. For every reason that you make, you'll realize that the decisions that you didn't think too much and just went for it made you the happiest. I'm not talking about making impulsive and foolish choices, but decisions that you know that you have to make, because you know it will bring you happiness and success. All the excuses and doubts that you are hearing from inside your head are just noises. But if you're listening to every single one of them and you're believing in it, you'll always be left wondering if you'll ever be able to achieve your dreams. Throughout our lives, we have always been following a set path for us, whether it be given by our parents or carved for us by society. We go to school, graduate, get a good job, and work till we are old with barely energy left to enjoy what life has to offer. What if I told you that you can enjoy what life has to offer without waiting until you are ready to retire? The caveat to achieve this is to walk away from the set path that society has given us. The difficult thing about this is you'll be embarking on a lonely and solitary journey. You'll be walking away from everything that you have believed up till this point in your life, and you'll also be walking away from friends that you once held dear. These people that you thought are your friends are actually the ones holding you back from reaching your goals. You may not realize this, but whenever you drop hints of your ambitions during conversations with your friends, they reveal hints of doubt and disbelief. This is why many people say that chasing your dream is a solitary pursuit, and to tell others about what you're chasing for will only invite unwanted negativity, which will only poison your drive. If you have true friends that sincerely believed in you, you're one of the lucky ones. You have to surround yourself with positive people that make you believe that you can achieve your goals, weed out the weeds, and nourish the crops. The last and most important advice that I can give you right now is this. If you're not going to chase your dreams now, when will you? This isn't a game where you can have multiple reruns. You only have one life, just one. There isn't a next time where you can try and pursue your dreams. If you screw up this one life that you have right now, you have nothing but regrets at the end of the day. You have to start chasing your dreams right now. You don't have another chance anymore. Stop thinking and start chasing after your passion like a madman.